Hey guys, I want to welcome you to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're not. I'm going to start off by soaking up my old Scentsy with the cotton ball and putting a new scent in. And this video is kept in mind with the cat. She has recently had a breakout and it's been pretty bad. I'm not going to lie that I think it was partly my fault. I had mowed the other day and we hadn't gotten around to weed eating, so I kind of left all the grass clippings, and I think that that's what she broke out from. So in this video, I'm just going to be doing a few things that would help keep the allergen down and kind of pick up the leaves and grass that has come in and out of the house. I wash her blankets that she sleeps on. I wash our duvet cover that she also sleeps on. I kind of clean up the couch and vacuum that down really good. And I also sweep and mop pretty much my whole house in this video. So if this is something that interests you and you'd like to see how hopefully all the cleaning that I do will get the cat feeling better, and hopefully her hot spots will go away. Keep watching.
If you just let me shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Bump it and grind, let's go all the way. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Drinks in the air now, let this moment shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Tropical vibes are taking over. If you just let me shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Bump it and grind, let's go all the way. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Drinks in the air now, let this moment shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Tropical vibes are taking over.
said he only wanna see his friends. Another week went by and we barely even spoke. Think I'm beginning to read a sequence. Why did you turn your back on me?
And here I spray some glass cleaner to shine up the oven.
Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Why'd you go and leave me here all alone in the shadows? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light?
I've mentioned before that I use Crisco oil to put on my griddle and season and make it nice and greasy for the next time I cook.
But I'm getting kinda sick of trying to figure this out on my own. It's almost like you're keeping secrets from me. When did your feelings start to drift? Maybe there's something that I've missed. Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Why'd you go and leave me here all alone in the shadows? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light on me. No one likes to get hurt. It's just something that we go through. I deserve to know the truth. How come you left me, you left me, you left me, you left me alone in the dark? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Why'd you go and leave me here all alone in the shadows? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light on me.
So the husband had just finished weed eating, and I went out to blow off all the leaves so we wouldn't track it back in, and hopefully this will cut down on the cat's allergies and her skin issues.
You're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna shout to the world that you're the bad one. You was being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. What are you doing here? 'Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna shout to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. What are you doing here? 'Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna shout to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begged me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without.
And I know this seems a bit redundant, but again, I went ahead and did a second go around just to make sure I got everything good.
You begged me to come out with you.
Here I use my steam mop. It uses nothing but water, so it's easy on the flooring. It doesn't leave a film, and I don't have to worry about the cat tracking any kind of product on her feet from the floor.
I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no.
I'm going to go ahead and end it here. This is one of the last rooms that I'm cleaning. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and thanks for watching this video.